What's up YouTube, this is Dennis Panuta for tutorials.eu. In this video we're going to discuss whether ASP.NET is still worth it in 2023, and we're going to look at specifically ASP.NET Core, and I will also give you a bunch of really cool example projects that I'd recommend that you try to build yourself. So let's get started. First and foremost, let's talk about ASP.NET. And by the way, when I'm talking about ASP.NET, I mean ASP.NET Core and not the old school ASP.NET 4.x versions. If you're unfamiliar with ASP.NET, it's an open source server-side web application framework developed by Microsoft. It allows developers to create dynamic web applications and services. ASP.NET has been a staple in the web development community for years. And guess what? It's still evolving and growing. With continuous support and updates from Microsoft and a thriving community, ASP.NET is still a go-to for many developers and companies. If you're starting from scratch, we have an excellent guide for beginners called Complete 3 Hours ASP.NET and Entity Framework Core course. Pretty long title. It's the perfect gateway to your ASP.NET journey. So let's delve into the avenues where ASP.NET can lead you. But before we move on, a word from our sponsor NordVPN. In this digital age, online security is a must. NordVPN helps you to encrypt your internet connection, hide your IP address, and enjoy safe and private access to the internet. It's perfect for developers who work remotely or frequently use public Wi-Fi. With NordVPN's double data encryption, your personal data stays safe from hackers and prying eyes. Plus, you can unlock content from all over the world with over 5,750 ultra-fast servers in 60 countries. Get a special discount for NordVPN using our link and the promo code TutorialsEU by clicking the link in the description below. Secure your digital life today. Speaking of web development, ASP.NET Core is a game changer. It's a revamped and more efficient version of ASP.NET. It's highly performant, cross-platform, and allows you to build cloud-based modern web applications. Companies such as Microsoft, GoDaddy, and Stack Overflow are utilizing ASP.NET Core for their web services. The demand for ASP.NET developers remains strong, and by mastering this framework, you could be the next hot commodity in the job market. For a kickstart into ASP.NET, we recommend you to watch our full stack course on our channel called Learn Full Stack Web Development in 2 Hours, where you will learn to develop web applications in Angular and ASP.NET, and will have built a functioning base for a flight booking portal in less than 2 hours. And why not try out some of these practical examples on GitHub? You can find the link to them in the description. So, are you looking to build web APIs? Well, ASP.NET Core offers powerful tools to create RESTful web services. These APIs can be consumed by a variety of clients, including mobile devices, browsers, and desktop applications. From creating simple CRUD operations to securing your API using OAuth, ASP.NET Core has got you covered. If you are new to the world of ASP.NET API development, don't miss out our tutorial video called Build a RESTful API in ASP.NET in 9 steps. It's a great guide to get you started working with ASP.NET directly. Or alternatively, try building an API for a to-do list manager that allows users to manage their tasks efficiently. Here's a GitHub repository that can serve as a guide. ASP.NET is not just about web apps, it's also great for developing enterprise-level applications. With ASP.NET, you can build high-performance, scalable, and robust applications that cater to large corporations. I mean, there is a reason why Stack Overflow uses it. These applications can be for managing customer relations, inventory, or even automating business processes. The possibilities are boundless. Like with this project here, demonstrating a single process application architecture and deployment model for a small web shop. With the help of SignalR in ASP.NET Core, real-time web functionality is a breeze. You can create apps where the content is updated in real time, such as chat applications, live dashboards, and more. For practice, consider creating a real-time chat application. Create a chat application that enables users to send and receive messages in real time. Like with this project here, ASP.NET Core's cross-platform capabilities cannot be ignored. With the ability to develop and deploy on Windows, Linux, and macOS, ASP.NET Core broadens your horizons and market reach. You can create applications that cater to diverse audiences without the need to learn different technologies to different platforms. And some of these docs on GitHub, you should be able to find how to host your apps on Linux as well. Microservice architecture is on the rise, and ASP.NET Core is ideal for building resilient, scalable microservices. You can develop and deploy individual components independently, making it easier to maintain and scale applications. Try creating a simple microservices architecture for an online store, this time with containers. Related to the previous shop we have recommended you, this one is a bit more complex, making use of containers. This involves creating microservices for user management, product catalog, and orders. However, you may think, why ASP.NET? Is it the only option we have available to us? Well, although it is our preferred way, it is certainly not the only one. Let's talk about some alternatives to ASP.NET Core. At the end of the day, there might be other popular frameworks and technologies you might want to consider. Starting with probably one of the most well-known, Node.js with Express.js. Node.js is not just a framework, it's an entire runtime built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. Express.js is a minimal and flexible web application framework that runs on Node.js. If you are keen on using JavaScript on both the client and server side, this combo is hard to beat. Then there's PHP with Laravel. PHP has been a cornerstone for web development for many years, and Laravel is still a popular framework to this date. Laravel uses an elegant, easy-to-read syntax and provides powerful tools for tasks like routing, security, and database interactions. It's a comprehensive choice for web development, especially popular in the WordPress ecosystem. And then there's Python with Django. Django, built on Python, emphasizes the reusability of code and follows the model view controller, so the MVC architectural pattern. Python's simplicity makes it especially popular among beginners. It also has a vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks, making it a versatile choice. Then there's Java with Spring. The Spring framework, based on Java, is incredibly powerful, especially for building complex, robust, enterprise-level applications, with it still being a popular choice, especially among big corporations. Its modular approach and rich set of features make it an excellent choice for large-scale applications. And why choose ASP.NET Core over all these alternatives? Well, it's about what fits your needs and preferences. ASP.NET Core, being highly performant and scalable, is particularly efficient for building high-throughput applications. The integration with the Microsoft ecosystem is a significant advantage for businesses relying on Microsoft services. Furthermore, the support for microservices, real-time communication with SignalR, and the ability to develop cross-platform applications make ASP.NET Core stand out as a comprehensive web development framework. In conclusion, learning ASP.NET, especially ASP.NET Core in 2023 is definitely worth it. With its versatility, performance, and continuous support from Microsoft, it remains a vital player in web development. Whether you're looking to build web applications, enterprise solutions, real-time applications, or delve into microservices, ASP.NET Core has something to offer. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech insights. Happy coding!